Submitting documents to WhatsApp for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents required for account approval. This may include identification, business registration, or any other relevant paperwork. Step 2. Access WhatsApp Business. If you haven't already, download and install the WhatsApp Business app from your device's App Store. Open the app and set up your account. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once your account is set up, go to the settings menu by tapping on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Business Tools and then Account. Step 4. Submit your documents. Look for the option to submit documents for verification. Follow the prompts to upload your prepared documents. Ensure that the files are clear and legible. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, monitor your email or WhatsApp notifications for confirmation. This may take a few days, so be patient as your submission is reviewed. Once you have followed these steps, you will have successfully submitted your documents for account approval. Keep an eye on your notifications for updates on your application status.